Open the official OneWin website in your browser and wait until the homepage is fully loaded. At the top right corner, click the Sign Up button to begin registration. A simple form will appear. You can choose one of three methods: quick registration with a single click, registration by phone number, or with your email address for full access and recovery options. Now, select your country and the currency you prefer for deposits and withdrawals. Check these details carefully before continuing. Find the promo code field and enter 252552 exactly. This code will add a plus 500% bonus to your first deposit, giving you more balance to start. Next, create a secure password, confirm it, and review all the data you entered. When everything looks correct, accept the terms and conditions and press register. Your new account will be created instantly. To activate the bonus, go to the deposit section in your profile, choose your payment option, add funds for the first time, and the plus 500% bonus will be credited to your balance automatically.